Are you looking for the best timer table fans? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best timer table fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dreo Smart Fan. The Dreo Smart Fan is designed to enhance your comfort with its impressive air circulation capabilities. It uses advanced technology to deliver powerful winds that reach up to 70 feet, making it perfect for cooling any room. The fan oscillates both horizontally and vertically, ensuring that stale air is effectively removed from every corner. You will appreciate its quiet operation, as it runs at a whisper-quiet 28 dB, allowing you to enjoy a serene environment. Plus, with smart control options, you can easily adjust settings using your voice or the Dreo app, tailoring the airflow to your specific needs. What we like: powerful air circulation, quiet operation, smart control compatibility, wide oscillation range. Number 2. Dreo 16-inch Quiet Smart Fan, DRHAF004S. The Dreo Quiet Smart Fan offers a versatile cooling experience with its 9 speed settings and 6 wind modes, ensuring you can find the perfect breeze for any occasion. Its impressive 120 degrees vertical and horizontal oscillation allows you to direct airflow to every corner of your room, making it ideal for large spaces. You can easily control the fan using your voice, smartphone, or its included remote, providing convenience at your fingertips. Plus, with Dreo's Turbo Silent X technology, you can enjoy powerful air circulation up to 110 feet away, all while keeping noise levels to a whisper at just 25 dB. What we like: multiple speed settings, smartphone and voice control, wide oscillation range, quiet operation. Number 3. Iris USA WOOZOO Oscillating Fan. The Iris WOOZOO fan offers you exceptional air circulation with its unique oscillation feature, allowing the breeze to reach every part of your room. You can control the fan effortlessly from a distance using the included remote, making it easy to adjust settings without getting up. Enjoy a cool breeze while you sleep without wasting energy, thanks to the timer function that turns off the fan automatically after 1, 2, or 4 hours. With 5 speed settings, from a gentle whisper to a powerful gust, you can tailor the airflow to your preference for maximum comfort. What we like: effective air circulation, convenient remote control, energy-saving timer, multiple speed settings. Number 4. Iris USA WOOZOO Air Circulator Fan. The Iris USA WOOZOO fan offers excellent air circulation with its wide 65 degrees oscillation, helping you cool every corner of your room effectively. You can easily control all settings from a distance using the included remote, making adjustments hassle-free whether you're seated or lying down. The fan also features a timer function, allowing you to set it to turn off after 1, 2, or 4 hours, which helps save energy and provides comfort while you fall asleep. With 5 speed settings and 6 tilt angles, you can customize the airflow to match your personal comfort needs, from a gentle breeze to a strong cooling gust. What we like: wide oscillation range, remote control convenience, energy-saving timer, multiple speed settings, adjustable tilt angles. Number 5. KONSIDEN Bladeless Rechargeable Desk Fan. The KONSIDEN Bladeless Desk Fan offers a safe and modern cooling solution with its bladeless design, making it perfect for homes with kids or pets by eliminating blade-related hazards. Its 120 degrees wide-angle oscillation ensures that cool air is spread evenly around your space, creating a refreshing and comfortable environment whether you're working or relaxing. You can enjoy a quiet atmosphere since the fan operates at very low noise levels, ideal for study, sleep, or work. Plus, the built-in rechargeable battery and USB cable provide cordless convenience, so you can use it anywhere without worrying about power outlets or interruptions. What we like: safe bladeless design, wide 120 degrees oscillation, quiet operation, rechargeable battery.